today's the day where I will have a big excursion someplace, and it won't be in the ocean, but it's gonna be somewhere really cool. And I'm gonna be on a group tour, and I'm waiting for my ride. It should be arriving any second. And another one's coming. I see a blinker. It's making a left turn. Has to be one of the two. This one. Has to be this one. Yeah, he's coming for me. He's coming for me. He's coming for me. Well, here's the deal. The tour guide has arrived. However, it's the wrong kind of group. The group that he's on is a Russian-speaking group, and they're going to be putting me into an English-speaking group that's going to arrive in about 10 or 15 minutes, and that will get me on my way to where I need to go. All right, it's on. Here we go. Well, I just arrived at the park called Ba Ho, and there'll be some excursions coming up. I was doing a lot of hiking, doing some, could be a ziplining thing. I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. And then plenty of hiking, waterfalls, maybe a little bit of canoeing. Let's see if we can find out. Let's go.
До первого водопада по камушкам по полу.
I've always heard the term, you're never too old to rock and roll, but this term says it all. Being in my 50s, you're never too old to play outside. Never.
Все равно, да, есть там лестница.
Не торопитесь, ничего страшного. Забудьте о грации, просто идите. Главное идите.
Главное дойти.
Давай, ходим.
I'm sweating, but there's no sweat. Not in this kind of effort. Yeah, I did a lot of climbing. And I was told this third lake is more strenuous to go up. And I thought the last climb was a pretty well strenuous. Though I said it's no sweat, but it was a little bit of sweat for sure. Hey, I see some fish. I did it anyway. Third day. I did it. Now look at this bridge. I don't have very good balance. It's kind of a challenge to get over. I would have to crawl to get on the other side of that, and then climb all the way up to the waterfall. Yeah, that's how I would die. Yeah, there's no way. It's gonna take more than just me to get over. And I'm gonna play it smart. Not gonna do it. Yeah, the only way I can do this is to crawl. I don't think that's gonna happen. Yeah, that was strenuous. Going up, going back. You know, there's no way getting across that bridge. I probably would have needed a private guide instead of being a group tour to help me out on that. But in that particular basis, I probably could have just crawled on the bridge to get to the final point, but it didn't happen. Yeah, maybe next time I get here. When I get here, not if. When I get here, I'll get a private guide or a partner, or whoever, and yeah, we'll all work our way together. That's it. What you're looking at here are two different features in this particular area. You can do skywalking. You see all the steps here, and we got a golf cart coming. All right, now the golf cart has gone through, and I can explain a little bit further. So, all those steps are for skywalking, if you can see up there. And then you see that big rail that kind of twists around in different corners. That is a zip line. So you can do either one of those, or let alone, you could probably do both if you like. I decided not to do any of those, so I'm gonna be walking down here. Yeah, that's an understatement. Almost did it all, but I did it in many ways. This is a beautiful, beautiful beach resort. You know, with all the dinner settings set up outside in the back patio, the chase lounge and umbrellas, and then you look over. These are all the rooms that you stay in. Just like that one, that's probably better. That's vacant. I can imagine just sitting here at night, or actually early in the morning, and watch the sunrise. You can't watch the sunset, but you can watch the sunrise here. Yeah, this is paradise, right here. This is outside this resort. Right by it. It's Paradise Resort Docklet. That's where I had lunch. And we're looking at the scenery of this beautiful, beautiful ocean water. Palm trees everywhere. Beautiful mountains. This is great. Now look at these set of steps. They have a number of questions. It pertains to happiness. What can I do? What I want to do. What I really want to do. What I really, really want to do. What I want to do. Am I happy? Happiness. This is gonna wrap it up. What a beautiful day here in paradise. You know, just having a nice, you know, strenuous exercise on the hike. Going up a bunch of rocks. Checking out a number of waterfalls, and just seeing the forest of everything is just incredible. And then, technically, at the beginning of the video, I actually kind of technically lied at you, indicating that I'm not going to see the ocean for today on this excursion. But here I am, after the first excursion. Knew I knew there was a second one coming, and this is where I wound up. Not too shabby whatsoever. This is what it's all about.